the mystery behind the green eggplant. What's up with the fleece and seeds? Take a closer look. It's cream-colored and filled with tiny seeds scattered throughout the flesh. How surprised we were when we saw the true form of green eggplant flesh and seeds under a microscope. There's a kind of fiber in the green eggplant flesh which is round and long and very close to the others. Today, we're going to take a journey inside the eggplant. We'll examine it and uncover all its hidden secrets. Let's get started. Chapter 1. The confusing color of cream. Take a look. This eggplant skin is green, but when you cut it open, it's a plain cream. There's no striking color at all. Scientists say this is because eggplant flesh lacks brightly colored pigments. There's no beta-carotene that makes carrots orange, no lycopene that makes watermelon red. What eggplant flesh contains are pigments called flavonoids. These flavonoids are pale in color, white or creamy. So, that fresh cream color is actually a golden sign that this eggplant is at its peak, perfect for cooking. If it turns brown, it's a sign that the eggplant is past its prime. The flesh will taste bitter and hollow. Essentially, it's been contaminated by the outside air and environment. So it's best to cook it immediately when it's cut. Don't let it sit for a day before cooking it. That's no longer good. Chapter 2. A sea of seeds in the flesh. You've seen the first 10 seconds of the video. There are tiny seeds. There are so many seeds in one eggplant. Have you ever wondered why there are so many? In botany, the fruit is essentially a house for the seeds. Its function is to protect and disperse the seeds. So, it's natural that the fruit is full of seeds. This means the fruit is doing its job well. Each tiny seed inside this eggplant is the potential for a new eggplant plant. They are formed through successful pollination. The more pollinations, the more seeds are formed. But the question is, are these seeds safe to eat? The answer is yes. Eggplant seeds contain fiber. And this fiber, although not digested, acts like a broom that cleans our intestines. Fiber helps smooth digestion, prevents constipation, and keeps us fuller for longer. Chapter 3. Brown, between oxidation and aging. Have you ever experienced this? You just cut an eggplant, put it out for a while, and it turns brown? Is this a sign of a bad eggplant? No, my friends. It's a very scientific process called oxidation. Like apples or potatoes, eggplants contain an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase. When the fruit's flesh is exposed to air, oxygen reacts with this enzyme to produce a brown pigment called melanin. Yes, the same pigment that gives human skin its tan when sunbathing. Chapter 4. The microscopic world of green eggplant. Viewed under a microscope, there are so many small, round, elongated pockets arranged tightly together. What are they? Are they some kind of pockets or fibers? These are parenchyma cells. In simple terms, these are the cells that make up the fruit's flesh. Each pocket you see is a living cell filled with water and nutrients. They are tightly arranged to provide structure to the fruit. Their main function is to store food, water, and mineral reserves. Chapter 5. Treasure in every bite. This green eggplant may look simple, but make no mistake, it is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables with the lowest calories. In 100 grams of green eggplant, or about one medium-sized eggplant, the contents are as follows. Calories are only 20 to 26 kilocalories. Very low. Carbohydrates are about 5 grams. Enough for energy. Fiber is 2.4 grams. Protein is small, about 0.8 grams. But what makes this eggplant special are its vitamins and minerals. It is rich in vitamin B complex, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It also has a complete mineral content, including potassium, manganese, magnesium, folate, and copper. But the most interesting is the antioxidants. There are two main antioxidants in eggplant. First, nazeanin. This is found abundantly in the skin of eggplant, especially purple ones. But in green eggplant, nazeanin is still present, although in smaller amounts. Second, chlorogenic acid. This is found abundantly in the flesh of the fruit. This chlorogenic acid is a powerful antioxidant. Chapter 6. 7 amazing benefits of green eggplant. With such nutritional content, What are the benefits of regularly consuming green eggplant? I've summarized them into 7 main benefits. A healthier heart, more stable blood sugar, smoother digestion, potential cancer prevention, a sharp brain, ideal body weight, and strong bones. Chapter 7. Beware. Side effects of excessive consumption. I have to be honest. No food is perfect. Green eggplants are no exception. Consuming too much of it can have side effects to watch out for. Can cause digestive disorders, trigger joint inflammation, risk of kidney stones, skin allergies, swelling in the mouth, and shortness of breath, as well as cause too low blood pressure. Chapter 8. 6 groups who should be careful with eggplant. Based on the explanation above, there are 6 groups of people who should be careful, limit, or even avoid green eggplant. People with autoimmune diseases and arthritis, people with kidney disorders, people with eggplant allergies, people with sensitive digestive disorders, people with gout, and people with low blood pressure. Closing chapter, conclusion, and message. We've come a long way, from its enigmatic cream color, to its mysterious tiny seeds, to its fascinating microscopic structure, to its nutritional content and effects on the body. Green eggplant is a simple yet incredibly complex vegetable. Its creamy color is its natural identity. Its numerous seeds are a testament to its biological function. And its nutritional content is nature's gift to our health. But as with all things in life, the key is balance. Eat in moderation. Enjoy the benefits, but be aware of the side effects. If you enjoy videos like this, which discuss everyday foods from a scientific and health perspective, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for sticking with us until the end. See you in the next video.